Rosetta, go Rosetta, go Rosetta, go, go. Use the shit, use the shit, use the shit. Oh, oh. So, June is when I began my YouTube. So it's been 3 years since I've had my YouTube channel, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I love doing YouTube. Like, I genuinely love getting myself together and posting a video. The thing is though, sometimes when I am just not there mentally to do it, like, you know, I say this all the time, but I literally have been dealing with a lot, not like I did in 2018, but you know, I've been going through a lot, and there are times where I just don't want to do YouTube. I'm just like, fuck it, let me get myself together and do whatever and do YouTube. Don't get twisted, I love coming on here glammed. Well, I'm not glammed, but you know, looking cute, because I am cute. No, just joking. I do love doing it, but when I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. But I still force and I push myself to do so, no matter how much, because you know what, I enjoy doing it, and I tell myself YouTube is my platform for when I get in my career. And also, when you're doing YouTube, you can't watch what other people's doing. Like, you just cannot, because I see things and I'm like, what works for you, works for you. It doesn't work for me. And I stay in my own lane. And I think that's what a lot of people do. When they're doing YouTube, they don't really have tunnel vision. Oh, well, this is what this person does, and I think it's stupid, and look at all the followers they have. Listen, if that's what works for them, that's what works for them. Don't worry about nobody else. When you do your YouTube, focus on you. And I know you could be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Continue to push yourself. Listen, tell yourself you the shit. You already manifest it, claim it. Yo, I'm this shit, and my YouTube brought in whatever. Whatever is your purpose for doing YouTube, if it's just for fun, then make it that. Just make it for fun. Just have fun. If you're using YouTube for a platform to get further, like I am, I'm claiming it. I tell people all the time, like, oh, YouTube is my platform. YouTube is going to help me get the TV show that I want. I can't wait to have my TV show, and YouTube is going to be that platform to help me get me there. And like I said, sometimes you're just not prepared. You don't want to do it. But honestly, I love doing my YouTube. I love watching the progression. I always go back and look at my first YouTube video. And like, you see how I'm all outgoing and stuff. I wasn't like that. Like, I kind of had it in me, but I kept it cute. Be yourself. Don't sugarcoat or downplay who you are from now on. Be you. I also, just like I said, the progression. I look at the video quality. It was cool. But my first video is dark as hell. And then sometimes I'm like, girl, do you want to just redo it? But now, it's not going to be as authentic. But yes, like I said, because you know me, if you've been following me, oh, and for that, thank you to the support that I've been having. If you've been following me from day one, thank you so much. If you're new, what's up? What it do? What's up? For real. But no, like, I love it. I know I keep looking away from the camera because that's just me. I'm weird. Like, that might be a topic for the future. We'll talk about that. But no, for real. But you know, thank you for the support that I've been getting. I appreciate it. But yes, so to anyone who's struggling with their YouTube, I've been doing it for 3 years and I get it. Don't give up. Stay determined and keep pushing. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And thank you for just being here for the 3 years. Until next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah.